swiftly moving forward towards the actual event, which is the launch of the book, GST, The Game Changer, I would like to introduce you to the author of the book, Mr. Monish Bhalla. He's an indirect tax expert. He's been associated with customs, excise, and service tax for more than 25 years. He is a prolific writer and an author of 3 books on service tax. He runs a legal consultancy in indirect taxation, Easy Taxo Legal Service India Private Limited, popularly known as Taxo Legal, a brand in itself and having pan-India presence. He is also an expert in the fields of import-export, prevention of money laundering, and NDPS. He is the founder and mentor of an interactive web portal, which is www.servicetaxonline.com, a government-authorized reporting and publication company for all the judgments delivered by Honorable Customs Excise and Service Tax Appellate Tribunal. He is also a regular column writer on the subject in the media since 2006 and has touched all aspects related to service tax in his 350+ articles published till date. Now I would like to invite Mr. Bhalla on stage and share with us a few words on his book. Mr. Bhalla, please.
Thank you. Respected Das Gupta ji, Chief Commissioner Central Excise Ahmedabad Zone, Pavesh Bhai, respected dignitaries from Central Excise Department, my well-wishers, friends, I am overwhelmed with this response. Thank you very much. Thanks for coming. Usually I never read from a paper. I always speak extempore. But this time I was a bit nervous because the subject is such. When I first announced my book, somewhere around December, January, a few months back, I was confronted with so many questions and from eminent people. People asking me, how can you write a book on a subject which is yet not in the public domain? Yet not fully in public domain. How can you write a book on which the government itself is not sure about? These are the questions which were asked to me. But why do people always expect authors to answer questions? I am an author, maybe because I would like to ask certain questions, certain very vital questions. And I strongly believe that unless and until you ask specific questions, valid questions, you will never get the proper answer. So, answers are important, but I feel questions are more important. Am I right? So in this book, I have raised certain questions also. Questions on the weighted voting formula, questions on the dual administration which might create an issue, questions whether a state will implement SGST or whether it's mandatory for them to do or whether they will have an option not to do, just like what is there in Canada. Before I wrote this book, I must have read almost everything. I tried to lay my hands on everything available on GST, right from searching on the net, searching on material, reading books, whatever was available, so that I can come out with